Hi, this is Ben with Frosty Computers. We're just taking a quick inside look at the GT683 GX680. Right here we have this particular unit upgraded to 16 gigs of RAM. You have your dual 500 gig hard drives. You can replace one with an SSD. Basically, the purpose of this video is just to simply show how to remove the keyboard. Some people have been asking how to do so. What you do is that you can take a credit card or any sort of card and just kind of slide it through here. You'll see some notches, and just go ahead and slide it just like that real carefully, and you'll be able to pop the keyboard right off like that, just like that. And then once that's off, basically there's a little ribbon cable. Just be real careful with the ribbon cable. You don't want to pop that off. And there's a little little safety, so you just popped off the safety, remove the ribbon cable, and there you go. That keyboard is off. And we have our new keyboard, which is the this is our Spanish keyboard. So we're going to convert this particular laptop to a Spanish type version, and we'll just go ahead and pop that right back in. Basically, you reinsert the ribbon cable, and you're good to go. But basically, just a quick look at how to remove the keyboard on the GX683 type, either bare bones or DXR units. But this is how to do it. Thanks for joining me, and have a great day.